Put the scissors down. Put it down. I'm going in with this first. You can see rubbing it all in my hands. I'm gonna go in with another pump. Just one more. Just one more. Where are you going? Where are you going? Like my whole hairline. And it's like, it be making me want, and it makes me want to just put my hair away. Like, you know what? I'm gonna get a wig. These edges, what I've been looking into getting a hair transplant, but they're expensive. It's expensive. And I heard that you can go to Turkey and get it for like $2,000. And here in the USA, it's like $20,000, $12,000. So, yeah, I don't know. I guess I will be a bald head scallywag around my edges. How was your day? How's it going? As I struggle to part my hair. It's like I can't even wear a straight back of my hair to grow out. I can't even do that. Y'all don't even know. Maybe some of y'all do get it. But let me tell y'all something. And it is heredity for me as well. My grandmother had thin edges, my mom has thin edges, but child, I have it the worst out of all of my sisters. So it's kind of like, what am I doing wrong? All I do is wash and goes. All I do is wash and goes. And I'm thinking that may be the problem, but any tension styles, I don't do. But I'm the one that's suffering with my edges. And I'm really thinking it's time that I see a dermatologist, to be honest. But I just, ain't no excuse. I don't know, I just haven't made it a priority. But baby, it is past time to do so. Okay, all right. So we're gonna start with this section here. Now it is a pretty big section, so I am going to break it up. Now the blow dryer I've been using is this hair dryer and volumizer. Couldn't say that right. Actually, I don't see a brand. Blow dryer, I got it right off Amazon. It does the job. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm not seeing a brand on here. I'm gonna show y'all how much I'm putting on it, just in case y'all are curious and y'all ask me. Maybe not, y'all probably won't. I don't get that many comments. Feel free to comment, y'all. Feel free to ask questions. By all means, using the 6 elements. Y'all, me and my sister stayed using this when we were younger, when we had a relaxer. I'm gonna use a dabble, just a little dot, okay? Maybe a nickel size, dime size amount. We're gonna rub it in like that, and we're gonna apply it like that. See, it immediately adds slip. Immediately. All right, so we're all done with the sections, and we're gonna go ahead and start the blow drying. Okay, go ahead and part this section in half. I do start on low. Now, I feel like my hair didn't grow faster than it normally does. It didn't, you know, I didn't get a spur of growth or anything like that. I think my hair just grew at its normal rate. Now, if you look at my December photo, I'll put on the screen. If you look at that photo, my hair was obviously shorter. It was, you know, and this is without no trims. I have not trimmed my hair yet. And as you can see, I do have growth, yes, but it's not like, oh my God, it's all the way down here. You know, this is a normal amount of growth in 3 months. And so this is as realistic as it gets, y'all. All that, oh my goodness, my hair grew overnight. Like, no, it's not gonna happen overnight. It's gonna take time. And don't get me wrong, I be thirsty. I'm like, dang, why can't I have long hair now? Why can't I be touching my shoulder? Why can't I put my hair in a bun now? A clean bun. Cause y'all got those. I can put it in a ponytail, but like, it be having them straggly ends. Anyways, like, what I'm gonna do about this? I can't put a bun in my hair with this. I can't put my hair a slick back with this. But anyways, child, I'm at this point learning to love just the way my hairline is, because baby, ain't nothing I can do about it. But you know, if y'all have any tips or tricks, I'm all ears, baby. I'm all ears. But yeah, this is how it is looking, y'all. I'm about to go in and trim it. I know y'all probably looking like, it don't even need to be. Yes, ma'am, it does. Yes, sir. It does. If I run my fingers through, I can run it through very easily, but there's a couple snags. It don't look like it, but I can feel the snags, right? You can feel when your hair is rough. If you look at your ends, you can see the single strand knots. You can see it. Look at it. Examine it. You can see it. Now, if you decide not to, that's fine. That's you. Do you, boo? Do you? But me, as for me, we gonna trim regularly. It don't gotta be every week. It ain't, you know what I'm saying? And that was my problem. And this is why we're here. This is why we're doing this growth, you know. This is why we did the growth challenge. It's because I could not put the scissors down. I found every excuse to cut my hair. Now, let's be clear. I liked the way my hair looked when it was short, when I had it nice and shaped and I had my little side part going on. I love that look. However, I think I'm growing out of that phase right now and I need something else. You know what I'm saying? I want to, you know, I've always wanted long hair, but child, it's taking too long. And then throughout the journey, I would just find myself damaging my hair with heat or excessively wetting my hair. And baby, this time, we're not doing that. You hear me? Now, I will say, I mentioned in the last video that I wanted to continue the mini twist journey throughout the rest of this year. Baby, yeah, no, because if I'm being honest, the last 2 weeks leading up to April, we did wash and goes. I miss my curls. And if anybody know me, I stay with wash and goes. I stay with my curly hair, and I love my curly. I love my texture. So yeah, I miss my hair, so I did my wash and goes. So I'm not gonna sit up here and tell y'all, oh yeah, we gonna do this the rest of the year. We gonna do mini twists the rest of the year. No, ma'am. What I probably do is switch it up, do different styles, but keeping the routine, keeping the same routine. Like, I can't stress it enough. I feel like when you retain, like, so I've retained my length. I've retained the length of my hair. This is why it's at this length right now. It's not much. I feel like it's a step forward for me personally, because I would have been cutting my hair the next month or the second month. But I went 3 whole months without cutting my hair. 3 whole months. I'm gonna show y'all a picture. I did blow dry my hair in the beginning of March. And the way it was just looking uneven, I could not, like, I'm just like, my hair grew out this much and it's even, you can just tell how uneven it is. You can tell how even it is here as well, but it don't look as bad as that photo. It don't. I'm gonna show y'all. I want my hair to be all one length all the way around my head. That's my goal right now. Now I can't speak for later because I don't know how that's gonna look in my curly state, but I know when my hair is blow dried, I want my hair to be all even all the way around. Now I do want to flat iron it because I know I'm gonna really be able to see my ends and you know. However, it's just so uneven and I can't take it. I can't take it. So y'all, I'm all done with my hair. As you can see, I did not trim off a lot. I didn't cut off a lot of my length. I really didn't even cut it. I just tried to make it as even as possible. It's still uneven, but that is okay because, ciao. Let me just go ahead and flat iron it right quick. Let me just flat iron it right quick so I can. But no, it's gonna look ugly because, like I said, my hair is very uneven. Okay, so basically, I have a mini mullet, y'all. Basically, I still like how full it is, and I can definitely see the growth in my hair, regardless of how uneven it is, child. Let me just kind of tip my head this way so it don't look so bad. So it don't look so nice. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Subscribe, y'all. Share this video with someone else who's struggling to put those scissors down, because I'm just gonna say, put it down. Trust me, sis. This is the hair. We gonna continue to grow it out throughout the rest of this year, however we feel like it. Okay, but the key is a routine. But that concludes the video, guys.